So can you see the sum of all positives, negatives, all taken out? Profit of 72,900 rupees. Yeah. So Bank of Baroda was a good trade. Then comes Bhushan. Bhushan again I have traded for a long period. July, August, September, October, November, not in December, Bhushan, not in December. Jan again, May, yeah. And the total for Bhushan is 1,26,000. Total profit of trading Bhushan for around 8 months. Yeah. Let's go further down. Cummins made a loss of 41,000 rupees. FSL again made a loss of 6,000 rupees.
Just join escape.
Okay. HPIL again lost 41,000 rupees. Traded in different periods. HPIL I have traded in July and February. Yeah. So not traded in between. IVRCL Infra. Everybody knows that it is recently. Total profit is 37,000 rupees. Then comes Lupin. Yeah. A very good stock. Right? Everybody remembers the time when we used to trade Lupin. A very good stock. But suddenly, twice it broke trough with a gap down opening. If you remember, it just dropped a lot twice over, right? And that was the time I stopped trading Lupin. However, the total loss was 40,000 rupees. Yeah. Are we seeing more losses or more profits? Losses. I am seeing more losses. I don't know. Anybody seeing more profits? Overall. NHPC lost 4,000. Nifty, yeah, lost 15,000. Okay. Lost around 15,000. Patel Engineering, I made money to pay my broker 200 rupees. Okay. Punj Lloyd, 1,32,000. 1,32,000 rupees. Yeah. Traded in November, December, Jan, Feb, March, May, not in April, in May, yeah, and rolled over the position to June. Okay, so 1,32,000 in Punj Lloyd. Go further down. Reliance Infra. Okay. A profit of 25,900 in Reliance Infra. Traded in March, April, May, June. Rolled over to June. Yeah. Because this report is generated after the 31st of May, it will show the rollover from May to June. Yeah. Sesa lost 3,000 rupees. Suzlon made 30,000 rupees just by trading for 2 months, November and December. Tata Motors. Oh, first one is communication. 7,000 lost. And these three are Tata Motors. The total profit 46,700 rupees. TCS loss of 13,000 rupees. Yeah, and the last one is Titan. Yeah. Traded for July last year, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah? The entire year. The entire year I have traded this stock. How much profit I have made? 2,95,000. I'm still trading by the way. Still have a position in Titan. Okay. Now, of all the losses and all the profits, what is the net figure? 5,78,248 rupees and 75 paise. Yeah. This is my net profit for the last one. This is my net profit. Yeah. This 5 is, I have gone to the Angel back office, put the account number, selected the period, and I have asked for the net result. Right? If I ask for, not the net rate, if I ask for the market rate, it will not calculate the brokerages and the STT and other things. But if I ask for net rate, yeah, it will calculate what was the net rate and give me the profit and loss as per that. Right. So is this profit good? On a capital of 7.5 lakhs, is this profit good? Good. What did it take me to make such a profit? What was the effort that I put in?
Follow the system.
And how do you follow the system? Yeah. Go home every night, have dinner, and sit in front of the computer, look at 4 charts, put your stop losses, and go to sleep. If by doing that, such profits can be made, should I care to do anything else? Should I care to do anything, absolutely anything else? Do I need to do anything else? But the problem is, this is so simple, no? How can this be so simple? How can making so much money in the stock market be so simple? Right? How can it be so simple? It has to be complicated, right? It has to have parameters, and then every morning 9 o'clock you have to see where the market has opened and where your stocks are going throughout the day, and you have to smoke 2 packets of cigarette in the day, and then once the market is over you have to have your lunch at 4, and then go out with friends, have a drink. It has to be stressful. Only then you can make the people around you feel that ये stock market का आदमी है. Unfortunately, that is not the way it works. That way you only get heart attacks and blood pressures. If you want to trace to success, this is the system to follow. And today this 1 year history is a testimony of how powerful the system is. When Skeen says training can be enjoyable, now I can feel how it can be enjoyable.